Hi boys and girls, so today we're going to be talking about long E and how you can spell long E with either one E or two E's. So our example here is we have this little picture of a bumblebee and B is spelled B-E-E, but it still makes the E sound. And then we have a picture of a little girl and it says me, but it's spelled with just one E. So some long E's can be spelled with just one E. Some can be spelled with two E's. So what we're going to do here is we're going to read each pair of words and we're going to write the word that makes the long E sound. Remember, long vowels say their name. So number one says red and read. So which one of those makes the E sound? Read. So you're going to type R-E-E-D right there for number one. All right, number two says we or wet. We or wet. Well, we says w-e-e and wet sounds w-et. So the answer would be we. All right, and then when you come down here, you're going to circle all the words in the box that have the long E sound, and you're just going to drag these little bubbles, okay? So you're going to read the words in the box, and if they have the long E sound, remember, long E says its name, so if you hear E when you read the word, you're going to put a circle over it. So the first one says meek, meek. So that does have a long E sound, so we're going to put a circle over it. Right there. All right, the next one says net, net. No, that is not long E. That's short E. Sounds like eh, eh, eh. So we're not going to circle this one. The next one says peel, eel, peel. We have that double E, and the E says its name, so that would be a long E sound. And then when you come down here to part C, you're going to write the correct word for each picture. So you're going to take a look at what the picture is, read the two words, and write the correct one. Okay? Look at the picture, read the two words, and you're going to type the correct one right here. You're going to either choose this one or this one. So this says hen or heel. And you're going to pick the correct word and type it right there. Okay? Have fun!